Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically schedule your messages on iMessage. It only works if the other person uses iMessage as well. Now, this is like, for instance, you want to be the first person to wish your friends happy birthday, but you want to sleep, I guess. And also the receiver won't know that you've scheduled the message, so you're just going to type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in happy birthday balloon, and then cake. That is not cake. What? I'm so done. So over this. Cake. This one, and then present. There. Then to schedule the text, you're just going to select the plus button here, and there's going to be a send later option. Again, it's not going to show up if you try to do this with like your contact that doesn't have iMessage. So select send later, and for instance, her birthday's at, we can only send it in like this month only, I presume. Yeah. So for instance, like Monday 16th of June, that's not actually when her birthday is. Then you're going to select the date, for instance 0000, and you're just going to press the send button, obviously, and it's going to send it at that time. I'm not going to send it obviously because it's not her birthday yet. It's just going to be so confused, but that is how you can schedule your messages on iMessage. I hope they have it sooner for, I guess, less messaging other people's phones, I guess. I keep saying I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can schedule messages on iOS 18. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And remember, you can only schedule it in a span of like 1 month, so you cannot do it like further than that, I think. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!